in the last session, we shall discuss some applications of linear equations in one variable. The problems here are carefully chosen to lend variety and with a gradual increase in difficulty level. Without any further delay, let us start. Here is the first example. The sum of 3 times a number and 11 is 32. Find the number. Let the desired number be x. Now, 3 times the number, that is 3 times x, equals 3 into x, which is equal to 3x. Sum of 3 times the number and 11, that is sum of 3x and 11, equals 3x plus 11. Sum of 3 times the number and 11 is 32. That is 3x plus 11 equals 32. Here is a linear equation in variable x. We need to solve this. Let us collect the like terms on the same side. Transpose 11 to the right hand side. 3x equals 21. X equals 21 divided by 3. 3 goes into 21 7 times. 3 ones are 3 7s are. X equals 7. Therefore, the desired number is 7. Let us have a quick check on our answer. 7 3s are 21 plus 11 is 32. This is in accordance with the conditions given in the problem. Let us go to the next example. Example 2. Find a number such that 1/4 of the number is 3 more than 7. Let the desired number be x. 1/4 of the number, 1/4 of x equals 1/4 times x. X can be written as x over 1. Multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. 1 into x is x, 4 ones are 4. X over 4. 1/4 of the number is 3 more than 7. This means to get x over 4, we need to add 3 to 7. X over 4 equals 7 plus 3. X over 4 equals 10. Transpose 4 to the right hand side. It multiplies 10. X equals 40. Therefore, the desired number is 40. Let us check our answer. 1/4 of 40 is 10. It's quite simple. 3 plus 7 is 10. Therefore, our answer is correct. Example 3. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Find Raju's age if his father is 44 years old. Obviously, Raju is younger than his father. Therefore, let us take Raju's age as x years. 3 times Raju's age, that is 3 times x, equals 3 into x, which is equal to 3x years. 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. 5 years more than 3x years equals 3x plus 5 years. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. This is equal to 3x plus 5 years is equal to father's age. Here We have expressed father's age in terms of Raju's age, but it is given in the problem that father's real age, actual age equals 44 years. It is time to frame the equation. 3x plus 5 equals 44. Let us solve this equation for x. Transpose 5 to the right hand side. It becomes negative. 3x equals 39. X equals 39 divided by 3. 3 goes into 39 13 times. 3 ones are 3 13s are. X equals 13. So Raju's age is 13 years. Let us verify our answer. 13 threes are is 39. 39 plus 5 equals 44. Therefore, our answer is correct. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, please do it now. Like my videos, share them and press the bell icon as well. Let us go to the next example, example 4. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degrees. What are the base angles of the triangle? Let us draw a rough sketch. Here it is, triangle ABC. AB and AC are the equal sides. In an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Therefore, the angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. Angle B is equal to angle C. Angle A is the vertex angle. Let the measure of each base angle be x degree. Given that the vertex angle is 40 degree, angle A is 40 degree, we know that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Let us frame the equation. X plus 40 equals 180. X and x are like terms. Their sum is 2x plus 40 equals 180. Transpose 40 to the right hand side. It becomes negative. 2x equals 140. X equals 140 divided by 2. 2 ones are, then in the numerator 2 sevens are followed by a 0. 70. X equals 70. Therefore, measure of each base angle is 70 degrees. Example 5. Sum of two consecutive integers is 83. Find the integers. Let the first smaller integer be x. Consecutive next integer of x equals, how do you find this out? What do you mean by consecutive integers? 2 and 3 are consecutive integers. 3 and 4, 4 and 5, 5 and 6. These are all consecutive integers. What is the consecutive integer of 3? Of course, it is 4. How do we get that? By adding 1 to 3. Similarly, consecutive integer of x equals x plus 1. It is given that their sum is equal to 83. Therefore, let us frame the equation like this. X, first integer, plus x plus 1, second integer equals 83. Let us solve this linear equation. X plus x equals 2x plus 1 equals 83. Bring 1 to the right hand side, it becomes negative. 2x equals 82. X equals 82 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 41s are. X equals 41. Therefore, first integer, smaller integer equals x, which is equal to 41. Its consecutive integer, second integer equals x plus 1 is equal to 41 plus 1 equals 42. Therefore, the integers are 41 and 42. You can take the larger integer as x. If we take the larger integer as x, then the smaller integer would be 1 less than x, that is x minus 1. You can solve this equation taking x and x minus 1 as the consecutive integers. Example 6. Sum of three consecutive odd integers is 39. Find the integers. Let the first or smallest odd integer be x. What do you mean by odd integers? 3, 5, 7. These are consecutive odd integers. 5, 7, 9. 7, 9, 11. What is the consecutive odd integer of 5? Obviously, it is 7. How do we get 7 from 5? By adding 2 to 5. Similarly, by adding 2 to x, we get the next odd integer. The second odd integer equals x plus 2. Third odd integer, add 2 to the second odd integer, x plus 2 plus 2, which gives us x plus 4. It is given that sum of three consecutive odd integers is 39. How do we frame the equation? Like this. X, first integer, plus x plus 2, second integer, plus x plus 4, third integer, equals, their sum is 39. Now let us solve this equation for x. X plus x plus x. These are like terms. They are on the same side. Their algebraic sum is 3x. Then plus 2 and plus 4. Their sum is 6 equals 39. Transpose plus 6 to the right hand side. It becomes negative. 3x equals 33. X equals 33 over 3. 3 ones are, 3 11s are. X equals 11. Therefore, first integer equals x equals 11. Second integer x plus 2, which is equal to 11 plus 2, equals 13. Third integer x plus 4, 11 plus 4 equals 15. The three consecutive odd integers are 11, 13 and 15. A note, if we take the largest odd integer as x, then the preceding, the previous, second and first integers are x minus 2 and x minus 4 respectively. You can solve the equation in this way too. If we take the second odd integer as x, then the preceding odd integer is x minus 2 and the succeeding odd integer is x plus 2. First one is x minus 2, second one is x, third one is x plus 2. We follow the same procedure with even integers, since the difference between any two even integers is also 2. Therefore, we follow the same procedure with even integers as with odd integers. Example 7. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. Find these multiples. What do you mean by multiples of 11? 11 ones are 11. 11 into 2 is 22. 11 into 3 is 33. These are all multiples of 11. Let the first multiple of 11 be x. How do we find out the next multiple of 11? For example, 22 is a multiple of 11. What is the next multiple of 11? 33. How do we get 33 from 22? By adding 11, of course. So, the second next multiple of 11 equals x plus 11. Third multiple, add 11 to the second multiple, x plus 11 plus 11, which is equal to x plus 22. It is given that the sum of these three numbers equals 363. How do we frame the equation? As in the previous example, x first integer plus x plus 11 second integer plus x plus 22 third integer equals 363. Now it's time to solve this linear equation. X plus x plus x. These are like terms. They are on the same side. Their algebraic sum is 3x plus 11 plus 22 is plus 33. This is equal to 363. Let us solve this equation for x. 3x equals 330. X equals 330 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 110s are. X equals 110. First multiple is x, which is equal to 110. Second multiple is equal to x plus 11. 110 plus 11, which is equal to 121. Third multiple is equal to x plus 22. This is equal to 110 plus 22, which is 132. Therefore, the three consecutive multiples of 11 are 110, 121 and 132. Observe that we can also take the multiples as x minus 22, x minus 11 and x. If you take the largest multiple as x, then the preceding multiples would be x minus 22 and x minus 11. Or if you take the second multiple as x, then the first multiple will be x minus 11 and the third multiple will be x plus 11. You can solve this equation in this way also. Please give it a try. Example 8. Sum of two numbers is 74. One of the numbers is 10 more than the other. What are the numbers? Let the smaller number be x. It is given 10 more than the other. The other number is x. What is 10 more than x? X plus 10. One of the numbers is 10 more than the other. Therefore, this is equal to x plus 10 equals larger number. Their sum is 74. It is given. Now, how do we form the equation? X, the smaller number, plus x plus 10, the larger number, equals 74. It's quite simple, isn't it? X plus x is 2x plus 10 equals 74. Let us solve this equation. It's quite easy. 2x equals 64. X equals 64 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 32s are. X equals 32. Smaller of the numbers is x, that is 32. Larger number is x plus 10 equals 32 plus 10 equals 42. What is their sum? 32 and 42. It's 74. Therefore, our answer is correct. Example 9. What should be added to twice the rational number minus 7/3 to get 3/7? Now, let the number to be added be x. Twice the rational number minus 7/3 means 2 into minus 7/3. 2 can be written as 2/1. 2 sevens are 14. 1 threes are 3. Plus into minus is minus. Therefore, we get minus 14/3. What should be added to twice the rational number minus 7/3? That is, x added to minus 14/3 equals x plus minus 14/3, that is equal to x minus plus into minus is minus 14/3. Now, we should get 3/7 from this. This is equal to 3/7. Here we have this equation. Let us solve it for x. We have two denominators here. To get rid of those denominators, we shall multiply the entire equation, each and every term of the equation, by the LCM of 3 and 7. LCM of 3 and 7 is their product since they don't have any common factor. 3 times 7 is 21. Let us multiply the entire equation by 21. 3 sevens are 3 sevens, 3 ones are 3 sevens are, 7 ones are 7 threes are. 21x minus 98 equals 9. Transpose 98 minus 98 to the right hand side, it becomes positive. 21x equals 107. X equals 107 divided by 21. Therefore, the number to be added is 107 over 21. Verification is left as an exercise to the viewers. Example 10. The present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. After 5 years, their ages will add to 66 years. Find their present ages. Of course, Sahil is younger. Therefore, present age of Sahil let us take it as x years. 3 times x. 3 times x years equals 3 into x, which is equal to 3x years. Present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. Therefore, 3x years is Sahil's mother's present age. We have expressed mother's age in terms of Sahil's age. Now, after 5 years, Sahil's age, Sahil will be 5 years older. Therefore, x plus 5 years. Then, after 5 years, Sahil's mother's age equals Sahil's mother's present age is 3x plus 5 years. After 5 years, their ages will add to 66 years. That is, after 5 years, sum of their ages is 66 years. Here we have the equation. After 5 years, Sahil's age plus after 5 years, mother's age, 3x plus 5 equals 66. Let us solve this equation for x. X plus 3x is 4x, 5 plus 5 is plus 10 equals 66. Transpose plus 10 to the right hand side, it becomes negative. 4x equals 56. X equals 56 over 4. 4 ones are 4 14s are. Therefore, x equals 14. Sahil's present age equals x years, that is equal to 14 years. Mother's present age 3x years, that is 3 into 14 years. 3 into 14 is 42. After 5 years, Sahil will be 19 years old. After 5 years, mother will be 47 years old. 47 plus 19. They add up to give 66. Therefore, our answer is correct. Example 11. Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupee coins. If he has in all a sum of rupees 77, how many coins of each denomination does he have? Now, let us take the number of 5 rupees coins as x. Total value of x coins equals x into 5. The value of each coin is 5 rupees. Therefore, total value is x into 5, that is 5x rupees. Now, Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupees coins as he has 5 rupee coins. Therefore, 3 times x is x into 3 equals 3x. This is equal to number of 2 rupee coins. Number of 2 rupee coins Bansi has. Now, total value of 3x coins. Each coin here, value of each coin here is 2 rupees. Therefore, 3x into 2, which gives us 6x rupees. If he has in all a sum of rupees 77, the total value of all coins, the total money Bansi has is 77 rupees. How do we frame the equation? 5x plus 6x equals 77. Let us solve this equation. It's quite simple. 5x plus 6x is 11x equals 77. X equals 77 divided by 11 11 ones are 11 sevens are x equals 7. Therefore, number of 5 rupee coins equals x, which is equal to 7. Number of 2 rupee coins, 3x, 3 into 7, that is 21. 7 5s are 35, 21 2s are 42, 42 plus 35 is 77. Our answer is correct. Here is another example, example 12. The organizers of an SCA competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize money of rupees 100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize money of rupees 25. The total prize money distributed is rupees 3000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. How do we go about this problem? Let us take the number of winners as x. Total number of participants is 63. That is, number of participants who do not win plus number of participants who win equals 63. We have already taken number of participants who win as x. This is equal to 63. Transpose x to the right hand side. Therefore, number of participants who do not win is equal to 63 minus x. Now, a winner in the competition gets a prize money of rupees 100. Therefore, total prize money winners get equals 100 into x, that is 100x rupees. Total prize money losers get, that is those who do not win get, equals 25 into 63 minus x rupees. The total prize money distributed, actual prize money distributed is rupees 3000 rupees. Now, total prize money winners get plus total prize money losers get equals 3000 rupees. Now, total prize money winners get is 100x and total prize money losers get is 25 into 63 minus x. This is equal to 3000. Let us open the brackets. 25 into 63 minus 25 into x. This is equal to 3000. 25 into 63 is 1575 minus 25 into x is 25x. 100x and minus 25x, they are like terms. Their algebraic sum is 75x. 75x plus 1575 equals 3000. Transpose plus 1575 to the right hand side, it becomes negative 1575. 75x equals 1425. Divide by 75. I am not going to show the complete steps of simplification here. 75 ones are, 75 19s are. You can first divide by 5, then again by 5 and then by 3 to get 19. X equals 19. Therefore, number of winners is 19. Please verify the answer yourself. Verification is left to you. A note before we proceed. How do we write numbers in algebra. When we write 32, it actually means 10 times 3 plus 1 times 2. Place value of 3 is 10, place value of 2 is 1. Similarly, 578 means 5 into 100 plus 10 into 7 plus 1 into 8. If the digits in the tens place and units place are x and y respectively in a two-digit number, we cannot write the number as xy, for it means x into y. We write the number as 10 into x plus 1 into y. Similarly, a three-digit number having digits A, B and C in its hundreds, tens and units place respectively, we write the number as 100 into A plus 10 into B plus 1 into C. With this discussion in the background, let us take the next example. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? Let the digit in the tens place be x and let it be smaller of the two digits. One of the digits of the two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. Then the digit in the units place equals 3 times x equals 3x. The original number equals 10 into digit in tens place plus 1 into digit in units place. That is 10 into x plus 1 into 3x. This is equal to 10x plus 3x, which is equal to 13x. The number obtained by interchanging the digits is, this is the original number. Let us interchange the digits like this. This is the number we get by interchanging the digits. This is equal to 30x plus 1x, which is 31x. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. It is given that the sum of two numbers is 88. Therefore, 13x plus 31x equals 88. 13x plus 31x is 44x equals 88. X equals 88 divided by 44. It's quite simple. 44 ones are, 44 twos are. X equals 2. Therefore, 3x equals 3 into x, 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. Therefore, the original number is 26. If we take units digit as the smaller of the two digits, then the original number is 62. Therefore, the original number is 26 or 62. Add them together. You get 88. Therefore, our answer is correct. Example 14. Present ages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5. 8 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 5:6. Find their present ages. Now, let the present ages of Anu and Raj be 4x and 5x years respectively. 8 years from now, 8 years hence, Anu's age will be 4x plus 8. 4x plus 8 years. 8 years hence, Raj's age is 5x plus 8. Now, 8 years from now, the ratio of their ages is 5:6. Therefore, the equation is 4x plus 8 is to 5x plus 8 equals 5:6. Let us convert them into fractional form. 4x plus 8 divided by 5x plus 8 equals 5/6. Let us cross multiply. 4x plus 8 into 6 equals 5 into 5x plus 8. Let us open the brackets like this. This will be 5 into 5x plus 5 into 8. On simplifying, we get 24x plus 48 equals 25x plus 40. Let us collect the like terms on the same side. 48 minus 40 equals 25x minus 24x. 8 equals x. Interchange the sides. X equals 8. Present age of Anu equals 4x. 4 into 8, that is 32 years. Present age of Raj equals 5x. 5 into 8, that is 40 years. Now consider the last example. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3/2. 3 halves. Find the rational number. Let us take the numerator of the rational number as x. Greater than its numerator by 8, that is 8 more than x equals x plus 8. The denominator is greater than its numerator by 8, therefore this is the denominator. If the numerator is increased by 17, numerator increased by 17 yields x plus 17. Denominator decreased by 1. This is equal to x plus 8 minus 1. That is 8 minus 1 is 7. X plus 7. The number obtained is 3/2. Therefore, we get this equation x plus 17, the new number, new rational number, divided by x plus 7 equals 3/2. Cross multiply as before and then simplify. 2x plus 34 equals 3x plus 21. Collect the like terms on the same side. 13 equals x. Interchange the sides. X equals 30. The given rational number equals numerator divided by denominator. The original numerator is x. Original denominator is x plus 8. This is equal to x over x plus 8. In place of x, substitute 13. 13 over 13 plus 8. This gives us 13 over 21. Verification is left as an exercise to you. That's all for now. I will come up with a new topic in the next session. See you then.